Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you are having a beautiful day. So far my day's been pretty good. Just chilling, editing this video, had some coffee, ate a bagel and some bacon. And y'all, like, I don't know what was up with that bacon, but it was so good. Y'all have not heard my voice in a long time. And I don't know why. So for some reason, I just feel like the videos without me talking are more aesthetic and they get more views, just a little bit. But yes, but overall, I just wanted to say what's up, how you guys doing. I don't normally talk in my videos and talk about these markers and where I got them from. So everything will be linked down below in the description. I got everything off Amazon. I spent about $100, I believe, which I think is pretty affordable for art supplies because I have spent more money in the past for art supplies. Both marker sets are Ohuhu markers. One is the skin tone set markers, and one is I think it's just like a random set of colors, but it's a 48 set. And both come with blender markers in them, and both come with swatch cards and little pamphlets in the little sacks that the markers come in. But I swatched these markers, as you guys are seeing right now, on this paper because this is the paper that I'm going to be using the markers on the most, which is the Ohuhu marker sketch pad, which is specifically made for their markers. And I got the sketch pad mainly because I want to do more finished pieces in this sketch pad, and rather than just me sketching like in my previous videos in the sketch pad, I wanted to do more finished, more colorful pieces, which I have done so far. And at the end of the video, I think you guys saw in the beginning of the video as well, a little snippet of what I've done so far, which I actually come to love. And I actually stayed up and drew like another little cute portrait after I filmed this video as well. But yeah, so far my thoughts on these markers, this isn't really a review, it's more of an unboxing and me just watching them. I know people have seen this millions of times already. But so far, I love these markers. I was just pointing to one of my favorite colors so far. The only thing that I didn't like about the markers is that the lighter colors really showed up dark on this paper. Like on the cap was super light, and the way they showed up on paper was so different. Like with that green, if y'all could have seen just like the tip of the cap, like I'm seeing right now, isn't it so much lighter than when it's coming off on paper? That looks like, so I'm thinking, oh, this is like a really cute pastel green, and it shows up a more darker, truer green. I'm like, oh my gosh, like other than that, I really do love these markers. They're so smooth. When I did blend them, they blend real easy, and they're kind of affordable. I do think they're a little bit more expensive for affordable markers, but they're definitely cheaper than cofffee markers, which I'll probably never own in my life because I can't just see myself spending so much money on markers unless I just, absolutely have to. Unless I just, need it. Just kidding. But yeah. So when I was doing the swatches, I was like, I'm gonna do all these swatches like real randomly because that's the way they came in the pack. And true enough, my booty, I end up color coding most of everything together or put in a lot of the colors that I thought looked good together. Like, I know a lot of the greens and the blues and the purples actually stayed within that hue, but the reds started off more of yellows and browns and stuff like that. Like the top is more browns and stuff, and then we get to the cute colors at the bottom, and then of course the blacks and stuff at the very last. But I love this so far, and I'm glad I'm talking to y'all. I'm having so much fun. Swatching these took about it didn't take too long, but it took long enough because I swatched them, I wrote the colors down, then I numbered them just because it was me. I even checked if it would go over to the next page, and it really didn't, surprising enough. It did bleed to the page, like, how do you say it? It bled to the other side of the page that it was on originally, which I think is normal, so I wasn't really tripping about that. But yeah, I love these markers. and this is me realizing it came with a whole swatch card and all that stuff, but I prefer to swatch on the paper because this is the paper that I'm going to be using these markers mainly on. So yeah, I think the color selection is really cute. They do have some skin tones up in there that you get for skin tones, but not too many. Some of the colors are kind of close, but I think there's a good amount of range in hue and value, and not too many mid-tones. There's a lot of, this marker says specifically it fits me because it's a lot of bright colors. Like I love bright colors. Like I can't really do any mids or really dark colors. Like give me the whole rainbow, and I think this marker set really gave me the rainbow. So yeah, I'm very satisfied. And do I recommend these markers? Yes. Should you purchase them? Yes. They're good find for people who are, you know, willing to spend a little bit more money on some nicer quality products to have nicer pieces finished in the end. And that was what I brought this marker set specifically for. I can't just do sketch with me's and all this other stuff for the rest of my life. So yeah, I am very excited. I swatched the skin tone set off camera, which you guys will see in just a second, but I'm finna get up out of here. I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know what video, but I'll talk to y'all later. And it was fun talking to y'all. I probably sound like an old lady, dead cat or something because I just woke up not too long ago. Can you believe I fell asleep while editing this video? And I actually really love this video, which is hilarious. But yeah, see you guys later. Bye. Okay, real quick, I was a little rusty doing this because I haven't drawn in a couple days, but I love how it turned out. Besides Emma, look at her face, but I love the way the rest of her body turned out, like the clothes and stuff. I think it hit it right on the mark. And then Ray and Norman look so good, but Emma, her face just had to get covered up. I'm sorry.